Oh yeah. It's just fucking rape-tastic.
We're all going to die down here.
Boobs.
Yes, Jeff.
Are they boobs or are they covered?
And boobs.
Awesome. We're about to get raped by everything.
What are we supposed to take home with? Oh, there's players in the gun bag. What gun bag?
Katana!
We're here at the gas station trying to
Frying pan in this shit.
Die! Die! Frying pan.
Gotta be a stereotypical housewife. Fucking shit up with a frying pan.
You just scrambled their brains. Get it?
Yeah, I do.
Well, that makes you a douche.
Oh, already? I don't even have a gun. I got a frying pan.
Crap.
You're gonna kill me.
Where are the guns? Where's Tank? Should I try to go for it? Yeah, go for the gun.
Ah, shit.
Go for the gun. I got a gun.
Where the fuck is he?
I'm on the roof. Fuck y'all. I'm gonna survive the apocalypse.
Ow.
Alice, so help me God. If you bring him up here, I'm gonna
Holy fuck.
Oh, good. Except you.
Help. Somebody. Fucking help.
Coming, buddy.
Oh. Son of a bitch.
This is a great start.
Fuck. That was having bullshit.
I call zombie bullshit on that.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Is that even possible? Tank at the beginning?
Huh?
What the fuck?
Oh, you motherfuckers took all that out. Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, just me and you.
I took one. Haven't healed yet. That one ran like Welshman.
I gotta learn the controls again.
And it.
What'd you break?
I didn't kill them. Ah, horde.
Fucking horde already.
Alright, so this game hates us. There's a jock somewhere.
We're gonna get raped.
Nick got raped.
He deserves it. Oh, what the fuck?
What? Thanks.
What?
No, it's hard got me. Somebody saved me.
Oh.
There he is.
Yeah. Bitch, go down.
It's all good in the hood. I want to go to the playground.
I was going to slide.
No.
I went, oh, fuck it. That one died like a boss. He's like, and then killed over.
Nice. No, run past me. Here.
Nope. Fuck you, Ellis.
Donna, Donna, Donna.
Where are we going?
Shit, fuck. Jockey.
Holy shit! You should see it on my screen. It was awesome. She's a walker too.
Yeah, she's right there, by the car.
Kill all sons of witches.
And you piss off the witch too.
Well, I fucking shot her.
Why would you do something like that? Why?
I just want to eat her pussy.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Ah!
That's the worst time to piss off the witch during
The
the
witch
court.
went down on me.
Nice.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Where you going? That's right, you're dead. Again. Re-dead. Ah, Hunter! Hunter! Ah! You're a son of a bitch, Ellis. There's 100 bouncing around and he's healing me.
What the? Nuts.
What? Where are they all coming from?
Everywhere.
Country!
Reload! There's a safe room up there.
What'd you do?
I'm in the safe house.
Hey, get in here.
I was being chased.
Come on, people, get your asses in here.
All the way up there?
Yeah. Hi, Jeff. Behind you. Behind you.
Yeah. Well,
No, you don't know. Gang.
Cover me. You want to help myself up. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Skip again.
Grabbing a jar of puke.
Literally, she says it. Yeah.
close it.
Is around.
Fuck you going?
Get in the butt.
Fuck, man.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. Suck my dick.
Fuck, fuck me, fuck, fuck, fuck.
Don't fucking swear for all the fans.
Oh,
Bitch.
fucking hey. There you go.
All three of them.
Pretty much.
Holy foamy.
Fuck.
Gosh.
Die!
Ah, shit. Help me.
They're right there with you. I don't know why they haven't yet. You're fucking gonna suck.
Holy shit. Come on.
There. Go computers.
Yeah, fucking useless.
This way.
Oh, black man, he knows where to go.
Healing.
I'm gonna fucking heal.
If this rain really comes, you're gonna get washed away.
I forgot which way to go.
Really healthy. Back this way.
Quiet, y'all. I hear a witch. No light.
Okay.
Or we kill ourselves a witch.
Holy crap!
Brawlers. Fuck you, Nick. I had that. Oh shit! God damn it! Everything hates me.
There she is. Shit.
Fuck you, whore. Oh, you idiot.
I didn't even shoot her.
You did something.
Yeah, there was somebody beside her. I shot that. Apparently that pissed her off too.
Thanks.
Adrenaline shot here.
There's another one?
Yep.
Nick Ellis, kill me.
Yeah. That was a waste.
A little bit.
Adrenaline shot here. Reloading.
That's what I'm talking about.
Where's that stupid little whore?
Reloading. Reloading.
Down, Chumba.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't want that, Chumba. Oh, motherfucker. There's no way out. Fuck. Why me? Oh, shit.
Help me! Ow! I'm going down.
What the hell is going on?
Remember yourself.
Go away.
Awesome.
Son of a bitch. Something just fucking... Oh, yeah.
Reloading. Alright. Hey, I'm reloading. Alright, building. Good shotgun.
Where?
In here.
Get the fuck out of my way. Want it.
It's on the... It's right here.
Same thing. I just got the... Fuck off, Ellis!
He's healing you. You needed it.
I know.
Weapons over here.
This one's more good as looks.
Watch where you're shooting.
It's not a zombie. I'm going for you. Bang, bang!
There she is.
Fuck, 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 fuck! Shit! What the hell? How did I do that? God damn!
That was awesome.
I got away from her.
Cover me. There you go.
Behind you.
Who the hell did that?
There's another one?
Dude.
Well, I know. Where is she?
Somewhere close.
Reloading. Up that ramp.
Thing's not grabbing me and jerking me off again.
Holy crap, you guys are like all dead.
Reloading.
I wonder fucking why.
There he is.
That one's mine.
The hell are you?
Up here.
Oh.
Crap, there's two.
Two witches?
Hey, they blew me.
Rawr.
I don't know what that is. Hey!
Sit out.
You walked right into it after I shot it.
Watch out!
Well, you got the boomer. No jockey.
Wasn't jockey.
Oh.
Oh crap. I got a charger.
Oh crap! Someone's pissing off a witch.
Yeah, she's right there. Oh, of course. It was you.
I thought it was a zombie. You said right there as I shot it.
Yeah.
Damn it!
Go me.
Oh! You blew my head off, you asshole.
I'm sorry, there was a zombie.
You couldn't tell the difference.
No. There can only be one black survivor.
Oh, you weren't kidding.
I'm dead, man. If it makes you feel better, I'm really sorry.
No, it doesn't make me feel bad. I'm dead. Ass. You missed.
So he. Oh fuck!
No! That's payback.
No!
Because you need to die, you get pissed.
I don't want to get face fucked. I want to live.
Holy fuck.
I can do this. I will get you back.
All good now. I hit it. Here they come.
Perfect height.
Cool.
Took like a whole shuffle.
Yeah, you're the decoy. Oh, she's gonna be right down there, isn't she?
I can't believe
Jeff! I'm coming!
Get me out!
Where's the smoker? I'm coming, buddy! Let me in!
done yet.
Oh shit. Alright, let's blow that bitch up. Oh shit.
Check for the sign.
Roger!
What'd you do?
Ah!
Oh shit, I got in between her somehow. Just screwed her up. Oh, what the fuck?
Alice! He was saving me! Crap, there's another one in there. Oh crap! I was running to her too.
Oh shit! I did bump into her! Fuck! Shit!
There you are! I'm coming! Oh damn it! I ran into one too.
Oh, come on!
Nick! They're not helping us. Nick's inside the building.
Piece of shit.
I still can't believe we ran into the winches. I think we kill him.
Oh, come on! Yeah, now it's your turn, asshole. Oh, you're down too?
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay.
They're down. Later, guys.
Assholes. Just leave them. They'll come back.
Look here. This is your first aid is mine.
Let us heal, and then leave them there.
Oh, the baseball bat. On the ground, right there.
Hey, over here!
Yeah, I hear you.
Oh, I know what to do with this.
Hey, Jeff, there's a Molotov in here. Hint, hint.
I can't help.
Up,
Give me some
up.
help. We might need you.
There you go.
Help! Hey, I need some help over here.
Yeah, you can close the door.
I can't do this on my own. Give me some help.
Hold on.
Help me out. Lend me a hand here. I need some help. Hey, over.
You see I'm limping here?
You're not even moving.
You're not on the...
You're on your feet.
Everyone inside. Help. Help.
Help! Help!
Hey, I need some help over here.
No, you're good.
Help, help.
I'm grabbing pills.
What's with the black man and always grabbing pills? Oh, he died.
Awesome.
Yeah, who's under?
Well, we're into like, what, 10? Way too many.
Well, it's like that video. Hey, look, there's another witch. Fuck! Yeah, go you.
Look, they're alive.
Walk.